A century of fire and iron, a legacy of strength, forging the anchors that hold the world.
Tying together the intricate details with the grand narrative, underscoring the relentless pursuit of perfection in forging these vital components that hold the world.
For 100 years, this factory has forged the backbone of our fleet, a legacy of strength, built
Built on a legacy of fire and iron, this factory stands as a testament to our unwavering commitment to maritime safety across the globe. A timeless monument to industrial craftsmanship, this factory continues to produce the vital materials that sustain a global context. For over 100 years, this factory has forged the backbone of global trade, with these chains reaching every corner of the earth. Our automated painting booth ensures a uniform protective coat, utilizing advanced robotic precision for maximum durability in harsh environments. The finishing and inspection area is where we guarantee the quality of our naval anchor chains. It is a relentless pursuit of perfection. Here in the main assembly area, the continuous flow of production relies on the rhythmic interlocking of these massive steel links before they are welded into place.
This is the critical moment of shaping. The glowing ingot must be precisely aligned before the hydraulic press begins its work.
For a century, this floor has rumbled with purpose. A timeless commitment to production begins anew with the rising sun.
the silence is temporary. Soon, this industrial heartland will beat again. For over a century, this facility has operated non-stop, a commitment to industry that defines this town.
Check the weld right here, make sure it holds.
Looks good, sir. Solid.
Good, that's the standard.
The pursuit of perfection is a timeless craft. Here, amidst the heat and sparks, we forge not just Deep within the century-old factory, the press applies tons of pressure, demonstrating the precision required for the initial shaping. For a century, this factory has stood as a beacon of progress, its fires burning brightly through the darkest nights. With the final load secured, the chain begins its long journey from our docks to the furthest reaches of the maritime world. Inside these ovens, the chains undergo the crucial curing process. The intense heat bakes the paint, bonding it. The marine-grade paint ensures maximum durability, protecting the chains from the harshest environments. This massive chamber performs the critical first stage of anti-corrosion treatment, preparing the metal surface for the subsequent protective coatings.
You see this hairline fracture right here? That's a critical weak point.
So we scrap the whole batch then?
Only the defective links. Recycle the rest.
We maintain a zero-tolerance policy for defects. Every chain undergoes rigorous inspection. Only the high...
Meticulous post-weld inspection is critical to meet naval standards. Every link must be certified for tensile strength and durability. The structural importance of these precise welds cannot be overstated. They are the critical final fusion ensuring our Navy anchor chains hold true.
Once the link is forged and inspected, it's immediately ready for the welding stage. The heat treatment ensures durability before the final weld seals the joint.
To secure an aircraft carrier, the anchor chain alone can weigh over 30 tons, a testament to industrial might.
This is the heart of precision forging. By controlling the temperature and the force of the press, we eliminate internal... The extraction phase is critical. We have mere moments to move the ingot from the furnace to the press before the core temperature begins to drop.
As the sun rises on a new day, the century-old furnaces ignite once more, signaling the start of a
With a production capacity unmatched globally, these chains are distributed to over 50 countries.
For over a century, this facility has stood as a testament to unwavering craftsmanship and industrial might. As the day ends, the furnaces keep the heart of this operation beating, just as they have for the last 100 years.
The ultimate tensile strength of this 15-ton Navy anchor chain exceeds 2.5 million pounds, ensuring
A symphony of power and precision. From raw glowing ingots to finished heavy anchor chains, this factory.
The integrity of naval anchor chains relies entirely on the weld. Each link must be robust enough to withstand the immense pressures of the open sea.
Here we see the crucial first step, aligning the U-shaped links before the final forge weld. From the furnace they come, massive links slowly taking shape. This is where we ensure the integrity of the assembly before it moves down the line.
Invented by Joseph Brahma, the hydraulic press transformed manufacturing, allowing for the shaping of metals on an unprecedented scale.
At this stage, the furnace must maintain a consistent temperature of 1150 degrees Celsius to prepare the metal.
The initial heating phase is critical. The massive ingot must be slowly brought up to temperature to prevent thermal shock before shaping.
We select only the finest materials. ensuring every ingot meets our rigorous standards for purity and strength.
Built over a century ago, this plant represents the enduring legacy of industrial might, a history forged in fire and steel.